Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know if you saw this post about Kinetic Market. Kinetic Market, it's a borrowing and lending on the Flare networks. And supply swap is finally here. With Kinetic primary markets, users can now swap their supply collateral tokens for other supply tokens while keeping their existing borrows. So this uses a flash loan system where you borrow money, you do the swap, and then you pay back the loan that you took in the same transaction. And what they do is that it allows you to change your collateral. So for example, let's say that I have SFLR, and in this case, I haven't borrowed any assets, but this is just an account that I have for a demo. If I press swap, I can decide that I want to sell one SFLR. My supply API is going to increase because USDT has more incentives than SFLR, and I'm not telling you to change your SFLR for USDT. I'm just saying that what's happening. My collateral factor also is higher for USDT than for SFLR, and my health factor is 100 because yeah, I don't have anything loan. And then here the total fees, everything is below 1. So there's a fee for the tax that you have to pay, the fee for borrowing the temporary asset, which is also pretty small, and the convenience fee, which is paying Kinetic for the service. Let's approve it. I'm signing on Ravi. I don't know if you can see this on the screen. Confirm. All right, so while we wait for this to finish, what is this useful for? Let's say that we are at the top of the market, or you feel like there's going to be a big drawdown and you have stables borrowed. So instead of having to withdraw, pay back, swap again, pay back, and then do the whole thing, you can just swap your collateral. So if you think that the price of an asset is pretty high and you think that there's going to be a significant drop down, you can convert that crypto value into stable coins, and then your collateral value will remain more than the crypto asset that is volatile. That's one use case. The same thing could be at some point, if we have a bear market, I might be more heavily into loaning stables than crypto. And then whenever I think, instead of having to swap, withdraw, swap, pay back, and then change my stable coins into crypto, I can be buying, I would be able to buy SFLR in this case, or ETH or FXRP at any time without having to exit the protocol. So this is pretty exciting. Go check it out. The good thing about Flare is that you can do transactions that are extremely cheap. In this case, I just changed one SFLR, and then if I want to switch it back, I can also go to Ethereum or SFLR or whatever I want. And then I would say max, and then I can do it everything back, and you'll see that the cost is like minimum. I'm going to have pretty much the same amount of Flare that I had before. And yeah, guys, that's it. I hope this video wasn't too long.